a golden light.
The Ginintuang Santa Cruzan at Flores de Mayo recognized and valued the active and important contribution of women in the church, manifesting their pastoral leadership that increased in all areas of church's life and mission for the past 50 years.
It's just the beginning. It's just the beginning. Aurora, the light of day, it's all before you. Illuminate.
The Santa Cruzan is not just a tradition. It is a powerful testament to our enduring faith and the rich cultural heritage that binds us together as a faithful community.
It's just the beginning. We'll chase the sky, watch us shine. It's in our eyes, burning bright. It's just the beginning. It's all waiting for you. It's all waiting.
I was very much impressed by the level of participation, cooperation, and generosity you have all exhibited for this
Just the beginning.
important endeavor as we mark the Golden Jubilee of our diocese.
We'll chase the sky, watch us shine. It's in our eyes, burning bright. It's just the beginning. We'll chase the
Santa Cruzan can be a powerful means of catechesis on the mysteries of the cross and the role of the Blessed Virgin Mary in our redemption. Participation in the Church's activities among all levels of parishioners, men and women, young and old, rich and poor alike.
Like a lifeboat when you're lost at sea, I will carry you when it's hard to breathe. Should your eyes grow tired but you can't sleep, my love, don't let go, hold on to me. My love, don't let go, hold on to me. Hold on, hold on. May your heart be strong, may your fears be weak. Hold on.
We do not only honor Mary, we honor womanhood, we honor the women, and Pope Francis continues to ask the Church, let us continue to appreciate the genius of women.
The stars fade out, I will catch you when the tears fall down. Should the world come crashing on all your dreams, my love, don't let go, hold on to me. My love, don't let go, hold on to me. Hold on, hold on. May your heart be
even the money that you contribute, what matters to God is what it is in your heart. It is there that God will certainly reward you. Once again proved to myself that there is always grace in obedience. It was not me who worked for this. It was our Lord Jesus who moved and touched those people who become part of this Ginintoang Santa Cruzan at Flores de Mayo.
Hold on to me, my love, don't let go. Hold on to me.
Ang bawat isa sa atin ay tila nilalagyan ng korona, at ang koronang ito ay siyang nagpapabago sa atin. Pero hindi ito koronang ginto, kundi ito'y korona ng biyaya na nagmumula sa Espiritu.
No matter the cost, we keeping on. We're the dreamers.
Our dear Jubilee Queens, you are being challenged by the title you have. You did not ask for it. You did not buy it. It was given to you as privilege. And so, you must be a replica of the title that you hold.
Hold your head up high. This is our time. Hold your head up high. This is our time. Together we will rise, step into the light. We were born to come alive. Hold your head up high. This is our time. This is our reaching higher.
In our humility, we may become signs of hope, instruments of God's love. At ito'y mangyayari lang sa tulong ng banal na Espiritu na siyang nagbibigay sa atin ng buhay, nagbibigay sa atin ng pag-asa, nagbibigay sa atin ng lakas.
Hold your head up high. This is our time. Hold your head up high. This is our time. Together we will rise, step into the light. We were born to come alive. Hold your head up high. This is our time.
Let us carry forward the spirit of unity, devotion, and gratitude that this Santa Cruzan embodies. As we go forth, may we continue to shine as beacons of hope and love, deeply rooted in our Catholic faith. May the grace of God and the blessings of the Holy Cross guide us, now and always.
On a study night in Florence, Italy, you'll find degrees just to lie on the beach. What about that?
Magkakaiba tayo, subalit ang bawat isa sa atin ay may mahalagang papel na ginagampanan. Katulad ng different titles of Mary, magkakaiba, subalit ang bawat isa ay naglalarawan sa ating mahal na ina.
I wanna see for myself what I've read about, and I wanna find it out for myself. This time I'll go to places that I've always dreamed of, here in this beautiful, beautiful world.
We thank God for the 50 years of the gift of faith. We thank God because you today represent the people of God. And your trust, your generosity, your faith are continuing manifestations of God's blessing, continued blessings on all of us.
I wanna see for myself what I've read about, and I wanna find it out for myself. This time I'll go to places that I've always dreamed of, here in this beautiful, beautiful.
Hindi lang ang ating mga reyna ang tumanggap ng korona ng bagong buhay, ang korona ng kaluwalhatian. Ang bawat isa sa atin, inaabot sa atin ang korona ng bagong buhay kay Kristo. Ang korona ng pag-asa, ang korona ng biyaya ng pag-ibig ng
This time I'll go to places I've always dreamed of. I'll go to places that I've always dreamed
We thank you. We thank each of you. We thank you, dear queens, all of you who represent the titles of Our Lady. For today, you not only represent the title of Our Lady, but you represent the genius of war.